open. Oh, it's wow! Look at this pen. Cool. Cool. I got my favorite color. I got blue. And a hey, I pointed out something black. Can you help? Oh, just rip it. Just rip it. Ooh.
What's that say?
We love you. It says we love you.
What's on the shirt?
I don't know.
Oh, peace, love, and unicorns. That's the best.
Peace, love, and unicorns.
Where's mine?
I don't know. Maybe she didn't get you anything.
Oh, what do you say?
I'm going to Thank you, Auntie Jackie and Annette. I'm going to draw on the back of. Thank you. I'm going to draw on the back of this.
Okay.